Welcome to RaiGurkul.com. Today we are delivering into the intriguing world of financial data analysis or volatility matrix. In this video, we'll explore the concept of volatility regime traits and how to build using Matplotlib library. Volatility regime states help us to understand verifying level of risk and uncertainty or even state positions in the market. Recognizing these states is essential for making informed decisions. Now, in this video, I will explain you how we can build volatility regime states using Matplotlib library and Python. So if you want to learn more about Python and Matplotlib libraries, feel free to refer my previous video from the playlist. Here, we have already created the code. Let me run this and explain you. And after that, I will go one by one in the code to explain you in detail so that you can build by your own. Now, here I've already created the code. Let me run this and explain you. Now, in this volatility matrix here, we have defined text-based value, but you can also generate it with the color codes. So as of now, for the simplicity, here I have added high volatility, medium, and low. But you can add a number of color codes based on your risk matrix. Now, let me close this and start from the beginning. To start coding with this, we need two things. One, Python should be installed in your system and NumPy and Matplotlib library should be added. As of now, I'm using PyCharm as the editor, but you can use any other editor totally depending on your need. Now, here I have imported NumPy as np as the library and import matplot.pyplot library. These two libraries will help us to generate or take in all those attributes related with this library. After that, here we have written np.random.seed and data np.random.normal. These two placeholder will replace with the real financial data or with the state. Now, next is here we have defined low volatility thresholds is 0.5 and high volatility thresholds will be 1.5. So ultimately, medium volatility will take care at 1. Now, to classify data into volatility states, we have defined volatility states in the array, and in the value in the data, we have added for, and after that, we have added if and ABS value, which is a number greater than and less than to specify the conditions. So if this value or average of this value will be less than, then low volatility thresholds. Average of this value is greater than or equal to high volatility thresholds, that will be high volatility, else medium volatility. So we have just added two conditions. After whichever conditions will satisfy, we'll add into medium volatility. Now next, I wanted to create a plot to visualize the volatility states. For visualizations, first we'll create figure, and here we have provided figure size at 10,4. Next, we have wanted to plot with this data, and label we have added random data, and the color we are using blue, that is B. And next, H lines. In H lines, low volatility thresholds and 0, and the length we have provided as for data length. Color, as of now, we are using R, and line style will be dashed. Label, as of now, here we have specified low volatility thresholds. Exactly similar way we have used for high volatility. And third conditions will be medium. So if these two conditions will be not met, then it will auto add medium volatility. After that, we wanted to add annotate volatility states. So for I state in enumerate and volatility states, then it should plot state and define the conditions. Next, we have added here label for X and Y. So for X, we have added label name as time. Y, we have added value and title volatility regime state. So after that, we've added pleasant and the show of the keys. So this is a complete program or code which we can generate volatility regime state. After that, once we'll run this, you will be able to see the volatility code. Now, to see this here, if you can see here, we have added X label. So X label is time, Y label will be value, and the title is showing here as a volatility regime states. And rest further things are as per our value, and this graph will be generated. Exactly similar way, we can also generate with the color codes. And let's say we want to plot the highest population state, medium population state, and low population state, then this regime or states will be used in the form of color code. So this is how we can generate volatility state regime using Python and Matplotlib library. So this code generates random data, defines low and high volatility thresholds value, and classify data points into three volatility states, that is low, medium, and high, based on their distance from the thresholds. The script then visualize these states on a plot. But if you want to generate as per your need, feel free to explore more coding on this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in volatility regimes, state for your data, visualizations, and needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave in comment. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting Python and data visualization tutorials. Until next time, thank you for the